Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What do I have planned today? Well, I'm going to work on my kitchen today. But before I get into that, let me tell you guys, I hope everyone is doing well from this widespread snowstorm that we are all experiencing, because I know it's covering, I know judging from the news, it was covering a very widespread of different states. Kentucky, which is where I am, is not excluded. But hopefully everyone's doing fine. Hopefully everyone had the opportunity to get what they needed. And my prayers will always continue to stay first for everybody and their safety. Okay, so what I want to do today, though, it's been on my mind for a while. And what better day to get it done than today? Okay, so even though my kitchen is small and I really don't have a lot to do, but it is some particular things I definitely need to tackle. And one is my ceiling fan, okay? I cleaned it, of course, when I first moved in, but it hasn't been done since, and I've been here now close to a year. So I do want to tackle it today. And then I also have a small project I'm going to share with you guys that I'm also going to work on, that's going to be for the kitchen. A new addition, if you will. But the first thing I need to do is tackle these dishes that's in my sink. It's not many, but I definitely need to get them washed and dried and out of the way. Okay? And we'll go on from there. So let me hop off here rambling and go ahead and get started on these few dishes so we can go ahead and tackle the ceiling fan. Okay? Let's get started. Okay guys, this is an old table I've been having for a while. I have used it for my makeup desk at one point, my computer desk at one point. It had quite a few uses. But like I said, I didn't want to throw it away because it still had a lot of use in her left. Now, like I said, I'm going to create her to be some extra space in my kitchen because, of course, as you can tell, I don't have a lot of counter space. Okay, this L shape is all I have, so this actually is perfect. And then I thought about it. I've been having some black marble contact paper for quite a while too, so this would be perfect to use on this. So it have some previous paper I had placed on it earlier, some years prior. So I'm going to try to take off as much of this old paper as I can. I've already started peeling off at it. So we could go ahead and place the new marble paper down on it to give it a fresh new look. Okay guys, as you can see, my new DIY island is made. Now I have a few options I can share with you guys, and you guys can tell me what you think. One of my options was to get a bigger um, cutting board to put on her, which would be nice. And if not the cutting board, what y'all tell me about these other two ideas. Now one of them, I could easily just put a nice vase here. I've been having me and my faux flowers. Now this would look nice as a centerpiece, okay, on the table. Or I do have this nice heavy marble tray, as you see. You know, that looks nice too. Me, myself, I'm kind of going towards more of the big vase that I just recently had on here. Yeah, I think I'm liking that much better. Yeah, I think I would go with the vase here. It just gives the table much more of a better scale because first and foremost, the table is not extremely high on what would be a typical Allen. So, you know, this oversized vase here, I think balances it out. So, again, you guys can tell me what you think. Would it be the vase or this tray? Either or will be fine, or like I said, big cutting board. But I think I'm gonna stay towards this vase right here for now. and you guys can let me know. Okay, guys, you see my finishing touches on my kitchen. I hope you guys like what I did with that desk and changed it to an island, something I could benefit from in my kitchen. I know you guys know plenty on the DIYs, so don't hesitate to reuse something that you already have. Because like I said, in my kitchen, I have very little counter space. And it just came to me about this desk that I had that I once used as a makeup table. And now, since it's no longer a makeup table for me, like I said again, didn't want to get rid of it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this reset of a kitchen that I needed to do. Hopefully you guys will stay safe in this crazy weather that we are having. Again, more blessings to you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.